recording is starting, so please mute the microphone. We are starting because everything comes in the recording. Please. So mute the microphone. Whatever you will do, that will come in the recording. Now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2 we have started morning. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. No problem. We have done up to first question. First question we have done. A, B. Now C is 1 crore. Write on this. C is 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,000, 101, 1,000, 1,000, 100, 1,101, 101, 101. You can make table. Now let me first write all the problem, then we will decide which one should be given homework. First let me write 7 lakhs. Write down this 7 lakh. First let me write all the problems. 7 lakh 70. Then we will see which one we have to do. I am writing all the question first. Then 62. You also have to write. What 1 crore 70 7 lakh 70 only 70 above 1 crore 1 lakh 1,101. Then the answer should be written afterward. Let me discuss first. 62 crore 60. You write down the question, no, and leave one line gap. Leave 1 or 2 lines. 62 crore. 62 crore 34 lakh. 62 crore 34 lakh. 281. 281. 281. Leave one line gap, no problem. Then F is 53 lakh 4,002. 53 lakh 4,002. 53 lakh 4,002. Then G 40,000 44. 40,000 44. 40,000 44. Then H 2,75,000. 2,75,000. 2,70,5,000. 75,000. 2,75,000. 139. 139. 139. 139. Now you tell me which one I should do, or all I should give homework. You can write easily. All, yes. Because you have done this in the 5th standard. So no problem, I can give homework. only the numbers. Directly you write down the number. No need to make the table. You can, yes, all I am giving homework. You have to write down the number. No need to make the table. You directly write down the number. You directly write down the number. No need to make the table. In this, you directly write down the number, no need to make the table. But that order you should remember: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So from right, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. That order you have to maintain. This first part is over. Yes, first part. This one. So you can directly write down the number without making the table, and you write down the number with the numeration, commas. And what is Indian system of numeration? We have to move from right to left, and first we have to put the comma after 3 digits, then every 2 digits. First we put the comma after 3 digits, then every 2 digits we put the comma. That is called Indian system of numeration. Then, second question, write each of the following in words in the Indian system of numeration. Write each of the following. Write each of the following. Write each of the following in words. Following in words. Earlier you were given in words, you have to write down that number. Now you are given the number, you have to write down in words. In the Indian system of numeration. In the Indian system of numeration. In the Indian system of numeration. So Indian system of numeration, we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is called Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. You have to write down in the words. You are given a number. You are given a number 8048 804836. 804836. So first you put the comma. You put the comma from right side. First we put the comma after 3 digits. Then every 2 digits. Then how we read this? Ones. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So this we read as 8 lakh. This is the question heading. Write each of the following in words in the Indian system of numeration. You are given the number 804. 8 lakh 4,836. This is the position of C. This is the position of lakh. This is the position of 1000. This is the position of 100. This is the position of tens. This is unit. So we read 8 lakh. Yes, you write down the number and then put the comma. 3 digits, then every 2 digits. You have to put the comma. 8 lakh 4,000. 8 lakh. You have to put the comma. 8 lakh 4,000. 800. 836. 836. You have to put the comma, my dear. According to Indian system of numeration, you have to put the comma, you have to move from right to left. First you have to put the comma after 3 digits, then every 2 digits you have to put the comma. So you are given a number, you have to write down the given number in words according to Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, We have lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Write on this. A, now B, B, it is 200,200,694. 200,694. This I am giving homework. You can do it easily because the simple thing should be given for the practice to the words. Then 4623 what 4981. Let me do one more. 4981. This is the number given. 4623 4981. This is the number given. We want to place the comma first. 1 2 3. Move from right to left. 1 2 3. 3 digit. Then every 2 digit we put the comma. So this is the position of ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1000. You right. This is 10,000. Yes. No, this is there in the question. But to solve that, I will put the comma first. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, and this is crore. This is No, my dear. No, my dear. See also. In the question it was given 804836. In the question it was not. In the question comma was not given. B is homework. So what you will read this? See I am writing no. Position of 4 is crore. So what you will write? 4 crore. Write on this. 4 crore. 4 crore. Yes. 4 crore. Then what is position of 6? 10 lakhs. And this is 2. 6 2. So 4 crore 62 lakhs. No. 4 crore 62 lakh. 4 crore 62 lakh. Then what is position of 3? 10,000. And it is 34. So 34,000. 34,000. 34,000. 34,000. Then what is position of 9? 100. 981. No, 981. You see the adjustment of your phone. 900. 981. Yes, this is the answer. 2 lines. For B you leave. Position of 4 is crore. So 4 crore. Then position of 6 is 10 lakh. So 62 lakh. Then 34,981. Yes, write down arrow. In examination you don't write. Right now you are learning. So you write down everything in the learning process. In examination don't write. Directly write down. Here we write everything because I am in the teaching process, you are in the learning process. So everything should be written. But whenever you are there in the examination, omit that arrow part. So 4 crore. Position of 4 is crore. Yes, my dear, there is no need to make a request. It is our duty. It is my duty to send the video. So I will perform my duty without fail. Do not worry. Yes. Now D part. Now rest I am giving homework D. D 3294. 3294 20634. D part is homework. E 3690 3690431. Homework. Then F 623400 623 400. Yes, mute the microphone. 281. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, mute the microphone. G 23400 281. Then H 50042. 50042. All these all are homework. All are homework because we have learned how to write down that in the Indian system of numeration, and then in words you know how to write. Yes, mute the microphone. Yeah, no, not 42,000, not 42,000. 5,42,000, my dear. What are you telling me? 5,42,000. Yes, correct. 5,42,000. D, E, F, G, H, all are homework. No, in the maths book, yes. In the maths book, you have to write down in the vertical. Notebook. Nothing should be written in the textbook. All spellings in words. Words means spelling. You can make arrow whatever way because you are in the learning process. So, my dear, if you are very much comfortable, you write directly, no problem. But if anybody is confused anywhere, you write with the position arrow, no problem. And later on, if you become perfect in that, you write directly. Yes, so that full freedom is given. You can write down directly, but that comma, you first put the comma, then write down in the words. Then third is, write the following in the expanded. Write the following in expanded notation. Write the following in expanded notation. Expanded. Expanded form, yes. Write the following. Mute the microphone. Write the following in expanded notation. Expanded. A is 5643. 5643. So you should know first position of that. Position of 3 is ones. Position of 4 is tens. Position of 6 is hundreds. And position of 5 is thousands. Correct? So yes, my dear. So position of 5 is thousands. So we write 5,000 plus. Yes, write down arrow. Position of 6 is hundreds. So that we write 600. So before that, how we write? See, let me write one more step. Position of 5 is thousands. So this digit 5 we multiplied by 1000. No, you can write th. Position of 6 is 100. So that 6 we multiplied by 100. Position of 4 is tens. That 4 we multiplied by 10. And position of expanded notation. Next step I am writing. Next step. Position of yes. Short form. You can write th. No problem. You can write th. Then position of 3 is 1. So 3 I will multiply by 1. So next step you can write this as 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 6 into 100, 600 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 3 into 1, 3. And this is my number 5643. So this is my final answer. So 5643, I have written 5000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. Yes. In this way you should write. Yes. Yes. So this is in the expanded form. You can directly write down this, no problem. I have shown one more calculation, but you can skip this calculation and directly write down this, no problem. If you are very much comfortable, you can directly write down. I have shown you the calculation, how we have got that 5000. If you know, then you can directly write. So this is, yes. You can directly write. You can directly, I have written 5. I have written, This is the expanded form. This is expanded form. This is known as expanded form. This is known as expanded form of the number. We have written that in the expanded form. Yes. So now B 63. Yes, you can. Yes. Let me explain one more technique. No problem. Let me explain one more technique. 63851. So you start with 6. Then if you hide 6, how many digits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 4 zeros. Plus hide 3. How many digits are left? 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros. No problem. This is technique I am telling you. Hide 8. How many digits are left? 1, 2. So add 2 zeros. Then hide 5. How many digits are left? 1. Add 1 zero. Plus 1. This is the answer. You can write directly. Yes. So hides. Yes, no problem. You can directly write. I am telling you this 6